What's up, Adventure fam? Today I've got another quick one for you, and that is on the Garmin Index S2 scale, and that is how do we change it from kilograms to pounds or even stone weight. In order to change the view on the scale from pounds to kilograms to stone weight, all you have to do is go ahead and flip over the scale, and you're going to see two buttons. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a reset switch. On the right-hand side, it'll be more of like a toggle, and that's going to have ST, LB, and KG. All you have to do is take that switch and push it to whichever one that you want, ST being stone weight, LB being pounds, and KG being kilograms. Once you've done that, go ahead and flip over the scale, and you can start using it right away. I told you this was going to be a quick one, and I really hope that you found this information helpful. If you're looking for any more tutorials on products like this, let me know. I love doing them. Until next time, stay safe on the trails, and have a great adventure.